immediate evacuation for southeast of Guthrie. The following message is transmitted at the request of Oklahoma Department of Emergency Management. Wildfire warning with immediate evacuation for southeast of Guthrie. Leave this area now to avoid injury or death. Do not delay to pack belongings. Reunification Center is setting up at Guthrie Fairgrounds. Surface roads in the area may be impacted by fire and smoke. Never drive into heavy smoke. Slow down and move over for emergency vehicles.
Man, I can't believe that's happened again. What is going on with Oklahoma?